Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Corolla Ascent sedan, stock reference number 5350. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 10th month 2013. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand boot lid garnish, the right-hand boot lid garnish. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, fronts only type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.